Now we want to find the sine and cosine of 60. We already know the sine and cosine of 30. So as you can see in here, this 90 is one of the key angles in here. You can see that the 60 equals 90 minus 30. Let's draw them here. This is, this is the 30 degree, and this is 90 minus 30, which is actually 60, right? As you can see, this is equal to 30, yeah? So actually let's write this in here, 60. This is our 60 angle, which is 90 minus 30, and this is actually 30, right? You know this is 30, but this is not an actual angle, but this is our actual angle because the angle starts from here in the unit circle. However, we know this is 30. Now let's find the sine and cosine of both these angles, 60 and 30. Of course, if we draw a perpendicular, of course, you know this is the sine of 30. This is the cosine of 30. And if you draw a perpendicular here, this would be the sine of 30, right? This part is the sine of 30. So actually, let me show them like this. So now you find the cosine and sine of the 60. Of course, you draw a perpendicular here. This would be the cosine of 60, and you draw a perpendicular here. This would be the sine of 60. Now, as you can see, these two triangles, this one and this one, are obviously equal. They are equal, and you can prove that they are equal. Of course, they both have 90 degree here. These angles are equal, and therefore these angles are also equal. These two angles are equal because, of course, you know the total number of triangles. So you know that these two triangles are definitely equal. And of course, this is 1. So in both of them, so equal. So since these triangles are equal, and you can see that, you can prove that, of course you can see that cosine of 60, or 90 minus 30, the cosine of this bigger angle equals actually the sine of 30, as you can see in here, yeah? Cosine of 60 degree equals the sine of 30, and of course the sine of 60 degree, which is this part, equals to cosine of 30, which is this part, yeah? So it's very easy to complete this part now. Sine of 60 equals radical 3 over 2, and cosine of 60 equals 1 over half. Now, I'm just going to repeat something else for you. Remember how you would prove these two triangles are equal? As you can see, there is one side, two angles, this angle and this angle. I mean these and these, so two angles. So of course these two are equal, these two are equal, and this is one equal in both. So as you have learned, is angle, side, angle. These two triangles are equal. So just I wanted to make sure you are clear about that, and you are proven, and you are satisfied. Therefore, since these two triangles are equal, of course this side of them is also equal to each other, and these sides of them are equal to each other. Of course, we know that this is equal to this, which is the sine. This is equal to this, which is the, cosine for the bigger angle. Yeah, so you know what's going on, right? Excellent.